A quick history on this Vise. I bought it from a scrapyard from maybe 6 or 7 years ago. It's already been broken and repaired by the previous owner, but I still bought it because I needed a cross vise and I didn't have money to buy a new one. I'm not working on any precision stuff anyway, so I thought it could work. And it did. I've used it to mill things on my drill press, used it to bend things, hold stuff while I'm cutting them, and many other things. I only have this vise in my bigger rotating head vise, which also came from a scrapyard. And I use this as my mobile vise that I can move from one place to another. It held up to strains and torches for quite some time until recently. I clamped it a little hard than it can take. Yup, he finally gave up. But I'm not quite ready to give up on it though. Well, actually, I still don't have enough money to buy a new one. So, I was thinking of a way to fix this. And I know soldering is the best way for fixing cast irons. Although, I don't have a torch. I don't have much stuff here in my home shop. Mostly just the things from the scrapyard that I just fixed. Sometimes you have to be resourceful and creative when you don't have much. So this is what I came up with to repair the vise. I used the guide rod in the middle of the vise to basically make a long bolt that goes through and through, holding the broken parts together, squeezing it tight, making it stronger than it was before. You see, cast irons have weak tensile strength, but they're very strong on their compressive side. Here, I'm welding a bolt on one end of the rod. I also welded a washer on the other side to serve as a bolt head. I'm sorry about the background noises. We live in a motorcycle-infested area, and they like their exhaust pipes loud and open for some reason. So, I apologize in advance for more of them. Now the pushing jaw will have to tear the rod before this thing can break again. I just tightened the nut hair a bit, but as you can see, the crack barely moves. I'm already giving my all there. Even helped it with the lever bar, and it's holding up quite well. I'm not gonna try to weld this anymore and mess up the alignment of the waist more than it already has. I think this is the best fix I can do with this. Wow, this is 130 broken vise. And now that it's fixed, I'm sure I don't want to use it again like this. This thing needs some TLC for sure. A lot of it. I decided I'll just restore this vise. It's a lot of work, and hours, and pain. But for now, let's start disassembling it. I'm not sure how the other YouTuber stores arrange their disassembled parts. It always looks so organized. I'm not an organized person for sure, so... Thanks for watching. See you on the restoration video.